Hi, welcome to Easy Crochet. Today we're going to learn how to add a simple border onto a double crochet blanket. Generally, when you do double crochets, you're going to work 2 single crochets for each double crochet down along the rows on the sides. I've started by joining in the yarn at the corner, so we can do 2 single crochets along each row. And when you're doing this, you'll just have to try to make it as even as possible and straight as possible as you can. So there I've worked 2 single crochets into the row. You do 2 more. And just keep working down. Here's another row, so do 2 more. Now we've come to the corner, and in this corner you're going to do 3 single crochets. And you can see how we've started. Next, you're going to work a single crochet on top of each double crochet, as you can see. So, single crochet, then single crochet across each, on top of each stitch. I always like to stop and check and make sure it's even as I'm working. Okay. Now we've come to the next corner. You're going to work 3 single crochets. I just want to show you how it's looking so far. Now again, we're going to work 2 single crochets for each double crochet row. So I'm going to do 2 single crochets. In the next row, 2 single crochets, sorry. Two more single crochets. We're at our next corner stitch, so we're going to do 3 single crochets. This part will be easy. We're just going to be working single crochets on the top of the double crochet stitch. So right there. Now that we've come to the last corner, I'm going to work 2 more single crochets because when we first started, we joined in the yarn. That counted as a single crochet. Okay, and I'm going to join to that first stitch with a slip stitch. And you can see we've completed our first round of our border. And this will give us a nice space to work our next round in. So for the next round, we're going to chain 1. And I'm going to do a half double crochet, and then continue working a half double crochet into each stitch around until you get to the corner stitch where you're going to work 3 half double crochets. Okay, now we've come to the corner stitch. We're going to work 3 half double crochets. And you can see how nice it looks. Let's do one more just to kind of show the turn. Just continue working half double crochets around and doing 3 half double crochets in every corner. And when you come back to the end, you just slip stitch like we did before on the first round. And you can continue doing another half double crochet round and working it the same way, or doing a slip stitch border. Just any stitch you decide to use on this border will work in the same fashion as we've been doing. Oops, I want to show you the slip stitch border real quick, just as an example. So you can continue doing a slip stitch border around to give it a unique finished look. But like I said, you can use any stitch you want, or you could just stop it right here and finish with this border. I wanted to show you the corners a little closer, just to show you how nice and neat they look when you use this technique. Just really gives the blanket a clean look. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.